Okay, next up, I noticed these tools, bro. Look at this, sitting on top. Yeah. Yes, yes. Right there. Is that for push-ups? What is this for? Oh, there's another one. Yo. Oh, 10 cents. All the 10 cents. Oh, what's this thing? Let's go. More cord. What's that? Oh, it's a bike lock. Cord. Oh, another keyboard. And what's that? Oh yeah, gas and another bike lock. Bits and pieces everywhere. Oh yo, that's cool. Baseball.
That cast iron?
Yes. I appreciate it, thank you.
Okay.
Nice, umbrella base. Yeah. Okay. Do we keep digging? Do we keep digging? Everything is on it. Oh, watch out for the back, bros. Watch out for the back. Yeah, that's thick. Here's that other thing. Where did I put it? I think they're for push-ups. What's that? That is, I have no idea what that is. Portable camping shower. Okay. Put it in there. Okay. Back to this. Oh, there's the end of the shower. That's for camping. Get off me. Oh, look at this. Is that cast? Yeah, cast aluminium. Yes. What else is there? Anyway, let's go through this. All those milk cans. Wow. Oh, there's heaps. Why did they can return this. I think I want a bag now. Is that a bag? No. Bruh. Chuck Taylors. Oh, no, they're done. They are done. If I can find a bag, I will take those bottles. This bag? That's not a bag. In here. What's that? Nothing. Nope. Nothing. Oh, we might have missed out on the lawnmower. Maybe. As soon as you lose. Okay. Baby gate. Baby gate. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Chuck this in. Ooh. Oh, there's a whippersnipper. Hold on. Huddle up. Whippersnipper. Yo. Is that a bag? Is that a bag? That's not a bag. Oh, that's a bag. Let's go. Oh, is that 10 cent? Yes. Oh, what a mix of drinks. It must be from Christmas, yeah? Everyone's got a different drink. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna grab everything, every single one. Okay, that's good enough for me. I don't know how much that is. What is that? $2? Let's go.